Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing channel ZTech. My name is Barry Allen and today in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get your free virtual credit card. I am here because a lot of subscribers were demanding this video. So this card will work for every website. You can just buy things by it or you can just use it to get trials. So let's get started. Let me move to the screen of my phone and let me show you the procedure. So here is the screen of my phone. Let me start the procedure here. First of all, you have to open a browser. I am here opening a Safari browser, okay, because I'm using an iPhone. So I will type here free VCC online. You have to type the same. Here I will scroll down because my website is here vccwave.com. Okay, so you have to click on the vccwave.com. This is the website that I'm gonna use in this video. So here it's opening. You can check the interface of this website. I will click on get started. Now it's loading and let's create an account because I have not registered yet. So I will click on register and I will enter my details here. I am entering. You have to do the same. This method is very easy, but if you are feeling something bad with this card and you are not unable to use this card on your favorite website, then you can contact me. I will provide you a real card from a bank account so that you can use it. As you can see, our account has been created here. I will click on awesome. Okay, so here are the details of my card. I am not hiding them because my VCC is hidden already. So I will click on the settings option. You can see if there is any sort of OTP in your account by your card, it will be shown here. Here we can earn balance. We have to complete this survey and we can get the balance for free. So I will click on the card types and I will show you how much card types are available here. If you want to change your card, you can just click on the change button and it will be changed. Here I will show you 5 types of card that it provides one by one. So the first one is MasterCard, then Visa card, JCB, Discover, and of course American Express, the one of the best card. Okay, so here you can just change and you can check whether the card website is working or not. You can just freeze your card as well. I will show you after some time that how you can freeze and how you can defreeze your card. Let me click on the freeze option and you can see it has been freezed. All your transactions will be shown here. If you have bought something by this card, then it will be shown here. Okay, so any transaction that you are doing will be shown here. We can block our card as well. As you can see, I have blocked my card and now I will unblock my card again because I wanna use it. So as you can see guys, this website is very useful and it gives you a card instantly within 5 minutes as mentioned in the start of the video. Now you can just use it for your purpose, and thank you so much and goodbye for the next video.